Okay, this morning I am going to have a burrito. There's Sammy. This is canned roast beef. I have a little bit of it left over from yesterday, so I'm going to have an egg and roast beef and cheese burrito with some of those excellent little strawberries I got in town. So good. Okay, there's my burrito. And I have a little bit of, oh, I need two hands. Some of my homemade salsa. Yep. I'll put a little bit of that on there. I just love those little strawberries. So good. Alright, let's eat. Alright, for supper today, I'm going to have stir fry. I do not know why I have this little packet, because I don't usually buy these little packets. Not on Chinese, but I do have this little packet. And it is expired. July 22nd, 2024. So I'm going to use this. I bought some veggies. This is some rice. And I'm going to actually use this Just Bare chicken bites. These are so good. And I'm going to put these in the air fryer. I'm going to stir fry my veggies, mix in the sauce, and then I'll throw the chicken in. Anyway, and going to throw the rice in. Alright, that's what I'm having for lunch, supper, and let's get started. I used about half of that bag of veggies. I mixed the sauce, called for soy sauce, and you know, my sushi days, I got lots of soy sauce left over. So using that, just put a little bit of oil in the pan. That's a big old broccoli right there. I'm going to put a lid on this to kind of steam it. And that's my lid. I don't have a lid that fits my pan. I think this is just a stove element cover, I think. Back in the day. I use it as a plate. I use it as a lid. I think it's multiple uses. Looking good. Okay, I poured the rice in and gonna get it heated up, and I poured the sauce in. So we'll see. It's supposed to thicken up some, so we'll see. And I think it is. It is thickening up. And then I'll throw the chicken in. And I'm gonna eat these 4 pieces of chicken today. And I will have leftover veggies. And then I'll just cook some more chicken with it. I mean, for leftovers. That way the chicken stays semi-crispy. Alright, I say that's good. It's time to eat. Okay, and I forgot to mention an egg roll. So I pulled that out of the freezer and threw it in the fryer, in the air fryer. Alright, let's taste it. Didn't take long for that chicken to get semi-soggy. That's good though. The little packet's pretty good. Guess don't knock it till you try it. Green bean. She's done a 180. Oh, she's getting it in her ears. Oh my gosh. Where are you sleeping? Ah, God. You're a little brown dog now. Let me see your face. Look at that face. You're dirty. Let me see. Hey, no, let me see. She's like, nope. She said, no. So I cut some zucchini up, and I put this Baja citrus on it, and it's going in the air fryer. With some of these lightly breaded Just Bare chicken breast bites. I love these. They're so good. Sammy says, I'm right here. Where's my chicken bite? Yeah, it's your turn too. I'm gonna put this in the air fryer and then I'll feed you, okay? Alright. Did you see how she just licked that cabinet? That's how she got the chocolate off the cabinet that day, didn't it? Yeah. Okay. We'll be back. Alright, they're going in. Okay, chicken, zucchini with that chili seasoning on there, and a little bit of Gouda cheese. Smoked Gouda. Let's see how this tastes. Hot. Good. I fixed me a bowl of ramen noodles, and I had some frozen chicken thighs that I'd cooked. Well, it says in April that I cooked in the air fryer, and I put them in the freezer. So I have one chicken thigh and some frozen veggies and the zucchini I got at the store the other day, a little bit of zucchini. And I doctored it up with some sauce and some spices. So that's what's for supper today.